A little to the left, slowly now.
Got it, it's settling in place.
Clear to tighten.
The precision installation of the crankshaft is critical, followed by the robotic torque tools securing the cylinder head and turbocharger with millimeter accuracy.
Bring it down slowly, just a few more centimeters.
Right.
It's aligned on this side. Secure it.
The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly. Each piston, each crankshaft, balanced to perfection.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Power refined, translated into seamless motion. High-performance electric motors delivering instant torque with zero delay. Single-speed transmission optimized for seamless acceleration.
Advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
Power electronics convert energy, controlling every pulse of performance. Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica. Adaptive suspension, tuned for balance between comfort and control.
The legendary W16 engine is assembled piece by piece with surgical precision. Each engine undergoes rigorous testing before entering the vehicle. The engine is carefully integrated into the chassis with exact alignment. The heart of the vehicle, the engine, begins its meticulous assembly. Every internal component is assembled with exact torque precision. The transmission system is engineered for smooth and efficient power delivery. The body and chassis unite, forming the complete structural base of the car. Interior components are installed, combining comfort with advanced technology. The engine is carefully mounted, aligning perfectly with drivetrain systems.
We've calibrated the hydraulics on the 776 to the new specifications.
And the pressure test results look good?